about social media, we are talking about a medium which is inexpensive yet very, very effective. That social media takes your content from local to global.
Online presence is important.
New media, social media.
So online presence is important because I believe we are today living in a digital world where everything has gone digital, from businesses to small scale businesses, local producers, influencers, small businesses, shops, food, commuting, everything has gone digital. So I think online presence is very important for people who are trying to make a digital mark in the present world, and they are trying their best to get into the target audience, to be a part of the audience and know exactly what they are looking for, what they want. And even their their brands, they can promote their brands, ventures, everything online. So I think online presence of the brand, of the product, of the venture, of the startup, of the content creator is very important, because it gives a slight human to human touch and a bond between the product and the customer slash audience, to connect with the person who is selling away, or is trying to sell them off something from their produce to the said customer. And so I think online presence is very, very important in the times we are living in.
So moving on to our second question, which is why is social media publicity important? I believe social media publicity is important because it has a major advantage of taking your whatever product or content you are showcasing or you are selling on your social media platforms. It gives you instant feedback. No other digital marketing tool will give you, actually no other marketing tool will give you such instant feedback, where people are commenting or telling you instantly if they liked it, if they liked your content, if they liked your product, if they like your brand. No other tool will give you this freedom of knowing what exactly your viewer, your customer, your reader wants and is looking for. Along with that, social media takes your content from local to global. And I think in the current scenario, it is very important for every business person or content creator or startup investor or anybody for that matter, to take their product not just to the local audience but to the global audience as well. So I think social media publicity is very important when we talk about these two major aspects. When we talk about social media, we are talking about a medium which is inexpensive yet very, very effective. So there are several ways through which you can increase the reach of your audience and take your content to places. So how this happens is, when you are putting your product, you are trying to sell your product, your content or anything on the social media platforms, you are putting it out in the social world, in the world of social media, where through a click people from across the globe can look into your content, can even engage with the content creator or engage with the brand at a very, very close personal level. So what happens is, it helps to humanize your brand. You add a human touch to your brand, and that is how I think there is immense, tremendous audience reach when we talk about social media marketing or social media publicity. Along with that, when you become a brand on social media, people tend to follow. By the way, there is a research which says that people tend to follow at least one business on Instagram. So it means that, for example, somebody who uses Instagram for just mere purpose of maybe looking at other people's content or posting a picture once in a while, even that person is following at least one business on Instagram. So which means at least you have some visibility when it comes to engaging with your audience. So I believe that it gives you an immense opportunity to interact with your customers. It gives an immense opportunity to collaborate with other brands, because when you collaborate with other brands, it gives you visibility and it gives that brand equal amount of visibility, and that helps in audience reach. It increases your audience reach in a go. Along with that, when you are using social media, there's always an option to share. And for example, if somebody, you have put out a content or a video or anything, and it is shared by one person, so there, on an average, there will be at least 5 people looking at that content, and that ways maybe out of those 5, one would share it further. Similar way, it's like a chain, it's like a vicious cycle which keeps on, and it keeps on growing and growing and growing. And I think that is how you gain that audience reach. And social media has given a big opportunity to all the sellers or content creators, startups, brand ventures, to to venture in this field and look for audience who are ready to engage with your brand, also helping in humanizing your brand. And of course, that adds to the maximum audience reach for your content. I'm gonna answer the next question with a very popular example. So the question is, how has new media helped in creating a platform for new skills? So I think we have all heard of this person named Yash Raj. He was the one who created the famous Rasode Mein Kaun Tha meme, and I think what he has is a brand new skill. I mean, I'm sure people who are interested in music maybe have an idea how to synchronize music with dialogues and turn it out into something which we would not even imagine that it could, it can be something so creative. At least I can't. I mean, I had no idea that something like this can be done, because I am a newbie. I just listen to music, that's all. So for me, that was a brilliant strategy to put out your skill. I mean, that man has some really good skills with music. He can, he's a sound engineer first of all, and he knows how to engineer music and dialogues and put it into one, and definitely he's very creative when he does that. Along with that, Rasode Mein Kaun Tha became a Twitter trend which stayed on 1 and 2 for 2 days max. Also, then what happened? See, he put that video on social media, and then what happened? Then so many people tried to contact him, and he touched 1.1 million followers on Instagram in a day. And that's, I think, it's a big deal, because it went viral like crazy. Brands like Bewakoof.com made a t-shirt out of his meme which says Rasode Mein Kaun Tha. And along with that, there were so many creators who were trying to use his music and enact in several unique other ways. So I think social media or the new media has given a brand new platform for people like Yash Raj to put out their skills. Also, along with that, we have seen so many, you might have come across videos which are called therapeutic in nature, like for example the slime videos, or the sand slime videos, or maybe just somebody chopping vegetables very smoothly, and you tend to look at it and you feel, oh, it's so therapeutic. Along with that, there are some brilliant artists. I can give you an example. Her name is Angel Bedi, and she has a very beautiful Instagram page, and what she does there is she makes these beautiful artwork, and her brand is called The Filmy Owl, and she is brilliant at what she does. And at times her videos are very therapeutic. You will feel so relaxed and soothing just to look at how she's painting, how she's using resin in her paintings and everything. So I think social media has given a brilliant platform to such new skills people were not even aware of. I'm pretty sure there were artists before, and there were artists even today, but taking your brand, taking your work on social media gives you visibility. And at least for people like me, I am shocked to see such brilliant people, artists and all these people with such good skills. And I am so thankful to social media that only because of social media I got to know about them. So that is how I think social media has given a new platform to all these skills, and I think it will continue to do further, because we are always looking for something new, always. Like for example, Baba Ka Dhaba, that is also a brilliant example. Along with that, it adds a social cost to it. You are coming out and helping people, which I think is another brilliant way of using social media and putting that skill out. This is also a skill that you are taking your cause to another level. You are making it a social cause. So I think, yes, social media or new media has given a definite platform for these new skills.